almost a week now since major flooding came through Roanoke, leaving this mess behind and some frustrated villagers who say they want more help. Grace Devine was there as the mayor responded.
The mayor announced during the press conference that a total of 71 homes were damaged and a total of 5 businesses as well. For those who have lost their homes, the Red Cross is providing hotel vouchers. Mayor Michael Smith says this has been the worst flood they have seen, but unfortunately it is something they cannot avoid since all central Woodford County water flows through Roanoke.
We drain through Roanoke, 27 square miles of central Woodford County, and it all comes through Roanoke. And with the 8 inches of rain that we got last Wednesday, it simply could not be handled within the confines of the existing drainage system.
They had plans in the making to improve the flow of water, but COVID-19 stopped that from happening. Many who were flooded last week did not have flood insurance as they are not in a floodplain, but the mayor is working with elected officials to try to resolve that issue.
There may be an opportunity for individual homeowners to purchase flood insurance if they are not in a floodplain. That did seem to be a bright spot for those who have been told they can't buy flood insurance. Again, not a lot of detail yet, but there seems to be an opportunity out there for people who wish to do that.
Woodford County Emergency Management wanted to let residents know that they have cleanup kits and bottled water for them at their location, 303 South Main Street. I'm Grace Devine reporting. Back to you.